Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Install Matlab and configure the path, toolboxes, and Simulink if you need it. Plan 3. 5 hours per week for steady progress. In a 6-week foundation phase, focus on the workspace, scripts, functions, matrices, and plotting commands. Practice matrix indexing, logical masks, and vectorization with 10 short exercises that each take 20-40 minutes. Use the built-in help and documentation, test examples, and save modular functions so you can reuse code while building confidence and avoiding bad habits. Translate electrical engineering theory into Matlab by working with signals and systems using realistic sample rates, for example 1 kHz, and perform FFT to detect 50 Hz or other frequency components. Build circuit models with component values, simulate transient responses, and move to Simulink for block diagram time domain simulations and closed-loop control testing. Practice control design with transfer functions and state space models. Then plot Bode, Nyquist, and step responses to evaluate stability and performance criteria like settling time and 25% overshoot limits. Solidify skills by building 5 portfolio projects such as a filter design, motor controller, sensor fusion, power converter model, and communication link. Push code and documentation to GitHub for reviewers. Adopt unit tests and assert statements, and use the profiler to locate and optimize slow sections. Write clear function headers, comments, and example input/output blocks so others reproduce results. Regularly refactor code, seek peer feedback, and prepare short demo videos showing each project running to showcase practical Matlab competence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.